Hello, welcome to another episode of Deconstructing Lighting with Nigerian female Gaffer. This is a continuation of the previous class where we looked at the kinds of light and we looked at the hard light. Today we're going to be looking at soft light. As a Gaffer, it's very important for you to know what soft lights are, how to use them, and the effect it has on a subject or an object. So, what is soft light? Soft light is the very opposite of hard light. It is usually a diffused light that casts little or no shadow on the subject or object. When lighting with a soft light, we notice that the transition from light to dark is usually even, gradual, and most times unnoticeable. Soft light can also be called diffuse light. Most times, we can make a hard light soft by adding a diffuse. A diffuser is a piece of white material that is usually put in front of a light to soften the light and ensure a wider spread of the light. It could be anything, really. The subject of diffusion is a very broad one, and we'll talk about it in subsequent videos. But I have some diffusers I want to show you. So I have this gel here, usually called a neutral diffuser, and it comes in different thickness. And I have this here, this is a silk diffuser. Usually find it in front of a soft box, right? It comes in different shapes, but usually in front of a soft box. But you can also use it to diffuse your light, right? It's called silk diffuser. We use soft lights to create warm looking, welcoming, and very friendly pictures. We have come to the end of today's episode. I'm sure you learned something new about soft light. Let us know in the comment section. If you have questions about soft light, we'd also like to hear them. And we'd also like to hear about your best application of soft light in filmmaking. Thank you.